National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County, northern Pitt County, northwestern Hyde County, Martin County, northern Beaufort County, until 11 p.m. At 10:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Robersonville, or 12 miles west of Williamston, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Washington, Williamston, Plymouth, Bethel, Stokes, Belhaven, Ponzer, Scranton, Pinetown, Robersonville, Pungo, Pactolus, House, Bruce, Wenona, Hinson, Pike Road, Leechville, and Westover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Martin and Pitt,